Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x80070012, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components, which will definitely fix the problem. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator and paste the script here. I'll tell you what this script does. It will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution in cat2 folders, re-register all the DLLs, reset WinSock, and then restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.